Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair,
You lied.
if I
You
may.
lied. Paano ba kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The letter
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mag-asawang Curley at Sara Diskaya nagkabukuhan sa Senate hearing, mga senator galit na galit sa pagsisinungaling nito.
And also why Mrs. Diskaya is not here.
Who will answer?
Mr. Diskaya, I suppose.
Your Honor, yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po.
Mr. Chair, if I may, what is the valid reason?
Bali may po siya yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Hindi nga kumbinsido ang mga senators sa mga pahayag ng mister ni Sara Diskaya, dahil hindi nga ito tumugma sa pinadalang sulat ng kanyang asawa na si Sara kung bakit hindi ito nakapunta sa naturang hearing.
Mr. Chairman, meron bang medical certificate to prove and establish na talagang valid yung kanyang ailment? Dahil baka mamaya gawa-gawa lang itong valid umano na
Okay,
reason.
for the record, and for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya, the Honorable Chairperson, so forth and so on. Subject, inability to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and so forth and so on. Tapos, relative to the letter invitation dated September 15, issued by your good office, which I received via electronic mail today, September 17 at 5:41 p.m., I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18 at 9 a.m. Or 9 in the morning. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon, and some of my employees will be coming from various places. Thus, I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry that I will be unable to attend the committee hearing. I fully understand the importance of the committee's work and the seriousness of the matter at hand. I hope that my absence shall in no way be construed as a reflection of my respect for the committee and its mission. I humbly request the committee's understanding and patience in this matter. Thank you very much for your consideration. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Napakalinaw na hindi na-informed itong si Mr. Diskaya. Nagpadala pala ang kanyang asawa ng letter sa Senado, at nakasaad nga dito na hindi heart problem ang kanyang dahilan kung bakit hindi ito nakadalo ng hearing, kundi dahil busy ito sa kanyang business meeting. Dito na nga uminit ang ulo ng mga senators sa pagsisinungaling ng mister ni Sara Diskaya.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Diskaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth, and dito harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Huwag mo kami lokohin because the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair,
You lied.
if if I
You
may.
lied. Paano ba kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The letter